Noise and dust stirring up the controversy in Ala Moana. Construction on a major project there has rattled neighbors' nerves for months.
And now a proposal to extend construction hours overnight has some residents at the end of their rope. KITV4's Brenton Awa just back from a meeting with the latest developments.
As this residential tower goes up, so are the complaints of people who live nearby.
The noise and the dirt are totally unacceptable, and it's hard to imagine any outfit with even a little empathy for their neighbors to ask for 24/7 work.
The contractor here is asking the state to extend the hours at which it can work and make noise. But it is not asking to be able to work around the clock. The developer says that this noise variance would make that possible, but unlikely on a day-to-day basis. That's because the plan is to only use the extended hours for emergencies. We're told the request would be similar to what's already been approved next door for the expansion project.
We're just extending the existing permit that we had, noise permit we had for the expansion, similar to what we're doing now in the Mackay on the Park Lane project.
While only a few residents showed up to make their voices heard where it counts at this meeting, a lot of residents at this apartment building shared their concerns with us.
Whenever it comes to night work, everyone, after listening to this for 6 days a week, from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m., everybody's looking for it to be quiet and some peace of mind when they get home from work. That's what most people expect.
But as this project continues to rise, we can only expect to keep paying for the price of progress.
Our contractor is taking every precautionary measure to minimize the impact to our neighbors, as well as, we are sending out, communications in advance to all the neighboring our residents.
The types of work included in this noise variance application ranges from pumping water overnight to extended hours for pouring concrete. The testimony from tonight's meeting will help the Department of Health make its decision on whether or not to grant the contractor's request. That decision could be made within a couple of weeks. If the contractor gets approved, it told us that it would implement it immediately and it would run until the end of this year.